Join the coding community. Hit like, subscribe, and let's make coding even more fun together. In this video, I am going to write a code for grocery list application. Imagine you want to make a shopping list, but you also want to add a bit of extra functionality to it. Maybe you want to keep track of what you have, what you need to buy, and even set reminders to buy things at specific times. You might also want to categorize your groceries, organize by store sections, or check if the items are on sale. The idea behind an advanced grocery list application is to make your shopping experience easier and more organized. You start by adding items, then categorize them. You can track how much you need, when to buy, and update your list with ease. You might even share your list with others or check off items as you pick them up from the store. Let's break it down into some simple code. Key features of the app. Add items to the list with quantity and category. Organize items into categories, e.g., dairy, vegetables, etc. Track if the item is purchased. Store prices or set reminders. Option to share the list with others or sync across devices. Grocery list application. This class represents each item in the grocery list. Initialize item with name, quantity, and category. Marks the item as purchased. Returns a string representation of the item. This class manages the list of grocery items. Adds an item to the list. Removes an item from the list by its name. Displays all the items in the list. Marks an item as purchased by its name. Retrieves items from the list by category. Example usage. Create a grocery list object. Create some grocery items. Add items to the list. Display the list. Mark one item as purchased. Display the list again after marking an item as purchased. Get items by category. Now run our code. Hey, if you're into coding or just getting started, don't forget to like this video and hit that subscribe button. It's super simple, but it really helps me keep the channel going and bring you even more fun coding tutorials. So go ahead and click that button, and let's keep building our coding skills together.